Okay, we ended in two locations by accident. That's not bad. So I've got a top speed on an open area where we tested the TT02, and then below my work it's also a big space that we could make a top speed. Now I had the GPS on. I haven't tried this mode before on the GoPro, so let's hope we recorded the top speed. Like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Νομίζω ότι κάτι. Βασικά ρε μαλάκα. Έτοιμος. Ναι ρε μαλάκα. Έλα ρε μαλάκα και λέω κι εγώ. Κάτι. Okay, I put this phone on to test the top speed. So let's see the top speed. So top speed 59 kilometers. Alright, here you see it, 59. As you see over here, it says 59. Let's see if we can do better. Okay, here we go again. Okay, let's see what we did. Top speed now 56. Okay, so after testing with the mobile phone, the top speed that we get was 59, let's say 60 kilometers an hour. And beyond that, we have to change the pinion. When we change the pinion, let's see how much we can go.